Hey everybody, this is Douglas. I'm here on Lee Chess, looking at some puzzles, trying to figure them out in a minute, 30 seconds or less, and just trying to go over a couple of ideas. Alright, so here we are, looking at what our options are. A lot going on. My instincts, are just saying to take that piece right away, but they've got the queen there. My knight, looking at my knight, my queen, the options for that, and my bishop. Not a lot of options there. Rooks aren't doing much, and we're even pretty much on material. So what is the answer to this puzzle? Not 100%. Maybe it does kind of look like a move order scenario. Getting a piece to move, possibly. Their queen, my queen. If you want to pause the video here and give it a try. Okay, I think I need to take their knight. Yep. Then they take theirs. Then what do I do? With my knight, do I take here? Then he's just going to take, so we're just exchanging material there. Or, okay, that's it. So you're just up material there in move order, right? Alright, let's get to the next one. Similar idea, lots going on. Middle game just after the opening. And threatening here with two pieces. And threatening here with two pieces, his knights and bishops. And where is the mistake here? So even if I move here, then he's going to be with check, and he can get either my queen or my rook. So is it just move this up? That's an idea. No, what? No, because his knights can take my piece, my bishop, for free. Where is it? Yeah. Take, take, take. So this is definitely what's most important to take first. We're putting pressure where? Lots of choices. Alright, so sometimes you just got to go with your instincts. So my instincts are saying the knight, but I'm not going to go with that. I'm going to go with the pawn. Nope. Missed it. And that happens sometimes. And that is the best move. So see, why wouldn't they just take with their... So they're putting me in check. Yeah, see, I would say they would take with their bishop there. And then, oh, I still take this right here. Either way. I don't know about that. I didn't really like that one, so putting that one down. Not that good. Alright, then let's go to the last one here. Try to figure this out. Threaten two positions. Their bishop and their knight. Here. So here he's got no more options really with that bishop. I think that's it. No, then he could just take my... I could just take my pawn. Oh, there it is. Alright, if you want to pause the video here. Boom. And that's it. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you did, thanks. If you want to like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. And, have a good rest of your day. Take care.